Windows Reset is very effective built-in tool, provides short fix of all operating system in no time. Most unique thing about the Windows Reset is it can be performed without any external tool. When we have multiple software related issues, reset is the best possible thing to do. For that, open settings, update and security. Now go to recovery. We can see reset this PC option at top of the page. Click on get started. Here we can see two options, keep my files and remove everything. Until we have serious virus problem, select the first option, keep my files. Here cloud download option will download fresh window copy from server which needs internet. Local reinstall option on the other side uses fresh copy of Windows among the device and don't need internet. So let's go for it. Click on next. Now simple process I had to follow. You will have login screen in few minutes. If your window has some more serious issues and you can't make your way to the setting apps, there are another way to open Windows Reset tool. In the first possible case, your window just stuck on login screen and you can't log in. In that case, you can reach to Windows Reset by restart your PC with holding Shift key. And for more version condition, if your device stuck at Windows logo and you can't have even the option of restart your PC or the login screen, you can still make to the Windows Reset option with the use of the hard on off button of your device. All you need to do is just shut down your device by holding the hard button of the device and start. Repeat this process twice, and when third time you will turn on your PC with hard button, Windows will automatically opens the recovery option for you. How it look like, you can see it in the photo. Here we have to shoot the middle option, troubleshoot. On the next page, this is our option, reset this PC, click on it. Your Windows will be reset automatically and you will have login screen in few minutes.